Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to set up automatic payments on Discover Credit Card. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for credit cards. Click on your Discover Credit Card. Now you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for automatic payments. Click on Automatic Payments. On this page, you will see a Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. Select your payment preferences between full statement balance, minimum payment due plus fixed amount, or other amount. In this video, we select the minimum payment due. Click on the option you wish to choose, then select the payment method on the account field. After that, click on Continue. Now review your payment details and read the terms and conditions. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you set up automatic payments on Discover Credit Card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.